These glitch title templates will work with Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. Glitch sound effects are added with these templates. Let me show you how to edit and use these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Right-click here. Click on Manage Additional Folder. Now click on Add. Give the path of template folder. I have already added, that's why it's giving an error. Here all templates are installed. Place template on the timeline. Add text here. Scale and position text from here. You can change the font from here. Here you can change text color. Change glitch shapes colors from here. These titles have in and out both animation. To adjust its duration, cut the template from the middle. Trim template to adjust its duration. That's it. Thanks for watching.